Let's quickly recap all the key points you learned about hash tables. We use hash tables to store key value pairs and look them up in constant time. In fact, all hash table operations, such as insert, remove, and lookup, run in constant time or O of 1. Hash tables use a hash function to map a key to an index value. When storing items with different keys, it is possible that the hash function returns the same index. This is what we call collision. There are different strategies for handling collisions. We can use linked lists at each array cell. This is called chaining. Or we can store key value pairs directly in the array, but in case of collisions, we probe or search for a new MTU slot. This is called open addressing. Now we have 3 probing algorithms: linear probing, quadratic probing, and double hashing. In linear probing, we look for adjacent slots. This can cause clusters to form and slow down future insertions or lookups. In quadratic probing, we make big jumps to prevent clusters from forming, but we may end up in an infinite loop. In double hashing, we use a second hash function to calculate the steps. And this brings us to the end of this section. I hope you learned a lot, and I will see you in the next section.